Got a DML file from a database project? This script format contains data modification commands for database operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with data manipulation language scripts. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional DML file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. A DML file contains data manipulation language commands, which are a subset of SQL used to manage data within a database. Users, typically database administrators or developers, create these scripts to perform operations like select, insert, update, and delete. The intent is to execute a reusable set of commands to modify or retrieve data. This is a plain text file containing SQL statements. The .dml extension is a convention, not a strict format, used to distinguish data manipulation scripts from other SQL scripts like DDL, data definition language. The text-based design ensures maximum portability and readability across various database management systems. The initial software setup links the DML file directly to Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio by Microsoft Corporation. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows does not execute scripts automatically, so they must be run through a supported runtime or shell. We are going to find the right reader, right-click the DML file, and click Open With. Try launching with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If your DML file is not opening yet, that is normal. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this DML format is causing you grief. First, editing in SQL tools. Open DML files in database client tools like SQL Server Management Studio, Oracle, SQL Developer, MySQL Workbench, or dbeaver. The SQL syntax displays with highlighting and code completion accelerating script editing. Connect to target databases for testing scripts before production deployment. Next, executing scripts. Run DML scripts against target databases using the database client's execute function or command line tools like SQLCMD, SQL+, or MySQL. Always test scripts in development environments before production execution. Use transactions to enable rollback if scripts produce unexpected results during execution. Finally, version controlling scripts. Store DML files in version control systems like Git alongside application source code. This tracks database changes throughout development cycles, enabling code review collaboration and deployment automation. Database migration tools like Liquibase or Flyway integrate with DML scripts for managed database evolution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.